In this video, I'll guide you through how to allow clients to cancel or reschedule in Acuity Scheduling. This feature is a fantastic way to provide flexibility and convenience for your clients while also keeping your schedule organized and up to date. So let's dive right in and see how you can enable this on your account. First, you'll need to log into your Acuity account. Once you've done that, look for the menu on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll find all the settings and options you need to manage your scheduling preferences. From this menu, click on Availability. This section is your go-to place for managing when and how clients can book appointments with you. Next, you'll want to find the option labeled Global Scheduling Limits. If you're managing multiple calendars and want to set preferences for just one, you might see Calendar Scheduling Limits instead. Clicking on this will bring up all the options related to how your appointments are scheduled and managed across your calendar. Now, scroll down until you see the section titled Allow Clients to. This is where you'll make the magic happen. You'll see two options here: allow clients to reschedule and allow clients to cancel. If you'd like your clients to have the ability to update their appointments, simply check Allow Clients to Reschedule. For those who might need to cancel, check Allow Clients to Cancel. You can choose either or both of these options, depending on the level of flexibility you want to offer. Once you've decided which options to enable, consider setting a time limit for how close to the appointment clients can make these changes. This is crucial for maintaining a well-organized schedule. For instance, you might decide that clients need to give you at least 24 hours notice before making any changes. This way, you'll have enough time to adjust your plans accordingly, and it encourages clients to be considerate of your time. After setting your preferences, be sure to click on Save Changes. This step is very important to ensure that all the adjustments you've made are applied and active. Without saving, any changes you've made will not take effect, so don't skip this part. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully set up your Acuity Scheduling account to allow clients to cancel or reschedule their appointments. This not only enhances the customer experience, but also helps you manage your time more efficiently. Remember, offering flexibility can often lead to greater client satisfaction and loyalty. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our content or reach out for support. Happy scheduling!